Debt. The word itself makes some people nervous, while others see it as a tool for financial growth. But did you know? Not all debt is bad. Some debt can build wealth, while other types can destroy your financial future. So today, we're diving deep into the difference between good debt and bad debt, how to use debt wisely, and how to avoid common traps that keep people broke. Before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss powerful financial tips. All right, let's get into it. First, let's define what debt actually is. Debt is simply money you borrow from a lender, whether it's a bank, credit card company, or even a friend. In return, you usually have to pay back the amount plus interest over time. But here's the key question. Is all debt bad? Absolutely not. Some types of debt can help you increase your wealth and improve your financial future. That's called good debt. But some types of debt do nothing but drain your wallet and keep you stuck. That's bad debt. Let's break down the differences. Good debt is debt that helps you build wealth, increase your income, or improve your financial future. Good debt is an investment. It provides long-term benefits that outweigh the cost of borrowing. Examples of good debt. 1. Student loans, when used wisely. Education is one of the best investments you can make if it leads to higher earning potential. Example: a student loan for a degree in engineering, medicine, or finance can lead to higher income, making it a smart investment. But be careful. Taking out huge loans for a degree with low job prospects might not be worth it. 2. Mortgage, buying a home. A mortgage is usually considered good debt because real estate tends to increase in value over time. Example: let's say you buy a home for $300,000 with a mortgage. Over 10 years, the value rises to $400,000. That's a $100,000 gain while you were living in your own home. But be careful. If you buy more house than you can afford, your mortgage can turn into a financial nightmare. 3. Business loans, investing in a profitable business. If you borrow money to start or expand a business, and that business generates more income than the loan payments, it's good debt. Example: if a $50,000 business loan helps you generate $200,000 in revenue, that's a smart investment. But be careful. If you don't have a solid business plan, you might end up in debt with no income. 4. Real estate investing, rental properties. Buying rental properties with a mortgage can be an excellent way to build passive income. Example: you take out a loan to buy a rental property, and your tenant's rent payments cover the mortgage while the property value appreciates. But be careful. Not all properties make good investments. Do your research. Bad debt is any debt that doesn't increase your wealth or income and only drains your finances. Bad debt usually comes with high interest rates and is used to buy things that lose value over time. Examples of bad debt. 1. Credit card debt, high interest spending. Using credit cards for things you can't afford, like shopping sprees, vacations, or eating out, can be a financial disaster. Example: if you buy a $1,000 TV with a credit card at 20% interest, and you only make minimum payments, that TV could cost you $2,000 plus over time. Solution: pay off your credit card balance in full every month. 2. Car loans, luxury cars you can't afford. A car depreciates the moment you drive it off the lot. If you finance a $50,000 luxury car with high interest payments, that car will be worth less than half in a few years. Better option: buy a used car with a low-interest loan or save up and pay in cash. 3. Payday loans and high-interest personal loans. Example: borrowing $500 from a payday lender could cost you $700 plus in a few weeks because of ridiculously high fees and interest rates. Solution: avoid payday loans at all costs. If you need money, Look for low-interest personal loans or emergency funds. So now that you know the difference between good debt and bad debt, how do you use debt the right way? 5 smart tips to manage debt. 1. Always have a repayment plan. Never borrow money without knowing exactly how you'll pay it back. 2. Keep your debt-to-income ratio low. Your total monthly debt payments should be less than 35% of your income. 3. Avoid high-interest debt at all costs. If the interest rate is over 10%, think twice before borrowing. 4. Pay off bad debt first. Focus on clearing credit card debt, payday loans, and personal loans before taking on new debt. 5. Invest in assets, not liabilities. Only borrow money when it increases your income or helps you build wealth. So, what's the final verdict? Debt itself isn't good or bad. It depends on how you use it. Good debt equals helps you make money, increase wealth, or build financial security, like education, real estate, or business investments. Bad debt equals costs you money, doesn't grow in value, and traps you in a cycle of financial stress, like credit card debt, car loans, and payday loans. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below. Do you have more good debt or bad debt? What's one financial mistake you wish you avoided? Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more financial tips,